world-class Mactan-Cebu International Airport is soaring to new heights with its latest groundbreaking partnership with United Neon Media Group. On November 21, 2024, MCIA formally signed a contract with United Neon Media Group, represented by Deputy Chief Operations Officer Benjamin Lim, officially designating the company as the airport's exclusive advertising concessionaire. United Neon Media Group, a marketing powerhouse with a nationwide presence, is renowned for its innovative projects, including Southeast Asia's first ever 3D billboard at Bonifacio Global City or BGC in Makati.
I'm so happy to be entering into this partnership because it's a step in the right direction for us. But up until this point, we haven't been present in their journeys in the airport yet. And so this partnership allows us to unlock that and allows us to help brands really grow their businesses.
But what a partner like United Neon can do is they can bring the brands, the experiences, be it food, be it, whatever it is, like he was mentioning destinations. You can kind of bring all of the Philippines to Cebu because you can do so much and bring so much to the airport. You can really sort of make it the heart of that Filipino experience for our tourists, right? So I think I'm super excited for that.
Travelers can look forward to seeing stunning digital innovations in the coming months as MCIA transitions its advertising spaces into engaging digital formats. These advancements are designed to captivate audiences and elevate the passenger experience to a truly world-class standard.
Why we are here together, because we are really looking for partnership to be on the same end game or end mind as we have to kind of boost the tourism, because most of our passengers are tourists, and we always believe in Mactan-Cebu International Airport that the airport is the first and last touch point of their experience.
We have seen a lot of executions that they have done, and we think based on their experience they are the right partners for MCIA to elevate the experience.
Digital advertising.
This partnership marks a significant step forward for advertising in the airport industry. Both local and international brands will gain greater visibility, transforming MCIA into a key marketing hub. With the upcoming holiday season and the much-anticipated Sinulog Festival, Cebu is poised to become a premier destination for both local and international travelers. Passengers arriving at MCIA will experience more than just a traditional airport advertising. They'll witness cutting-edge marketing displays that reflect the vibrant culture of Cebu, enhancing their journey from the moment they step off the plane. This has been Queenie Holigon for MyTV Cebu.